You know, as a designer, I just have a thing for color. I love any form of color. I like really bright, beautiful colors. I like pastel colors. I just like all kinds of colors. And I love it when colors are coordinated. And it's no accident that I put on this shirt to talk about these tulips. And what I have here are 3 different varieties of tulips, all planted together. Now, as you may know, tulips will bloom early, mid, and late in a season, and it depends on the variety you choose if they bloom early, mid, or late. What I decided to do here was to make sure that these were all mid-season bloomers because I wanted one big blowout of color. And that's what you get here. You have this gorgeous orange one, and then you have this beautiful pale, almost sort of lemony, sorbet kind of yellow, and then this one that is pure white. And I just think it's a rockin' combination. All of this works in concert with what I have on the front porch. You know, on my front porch, I've painted those classic Windsor chairs a screaming orange, and on either side of the front door, I've got a pair of urns filled with salmon-colored geraniums, asparagus fern, which is so easy to grow, as well as a wonderful plant called a bacopa that blooms white.